Hi viewers, today we will see MMT, manual muscle testing. Fine, okay. There is 5 grades are there. Okay, fine. 0 means no response. Okay. Then muscle power 1, that is flickering contraction. Okay. What is flickering contraction? That is mild slight contraction we are getting in the paraplegic and quadriplegic and hemiplegic patients. This is the flickering contraction. Okay, fine. Muscle power 2, that is elimination of gravity with full range of motion. Okay, fine. If I told to the patients, lift your elbow, he is doing the movement in like this. He is doing the elimination of the gravity. He is doing like this. He can't move the against the gravity. He can do elimination of gravity with full range of movement. This is muscle power 2. Fine. Then muscle power 3, that is full range of movement against the gravity he is doing. Okay, fine. That means I told to the patient, lift your elbow. He is doing like this. This is muscle power 3. Fine. He is doing the against the gravity movement. Okay, fine. Then muscle power 4, full range of movement in against the gravity with partial resistance, that is muscle power 4. Fine. I am giving partial resistance to the elbow joint. Then he is doing against my partial resistance. This is muscle power 4. Okay. Fine. Muscle power 5. Against the gravity with full range of movement with full resistance. That means I am giving full resistance. He can do the movement in full range of movement. This is muscle power 5. Okay, fine. In our physiotherapy management, in muscle power 0, we are giving muscle stimulation, quick stretch, quick movement, rude approach, PNF, proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation technique, and electrical stimulation like that. Okay, fine. In muscle power 0, we are doing these are all the technique. Muscle power 1, same as the muscle power 0. Okay, we are doing electrical stimulation and PNF technique, proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation technique, rude approach and cryotherapy like that. Fine. Then muscle power 2. Muscle power 2 means we are giving the PNF, proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation techniques. Okay, fine. Then give the mild resisted exercise. Okay, fine. Then we are giving the PRE, progressive resisted exercise. Okay, fine. In muscle power 3, we are giving the vigorous PNF technique, proprioceptive neuromuscular technique. That means slow reversal and PNF stretching like that. Okay, fine. Then we are giving PRE, progressive resisted exercise. In weight cuff, we are using the weight cuff, 2 kg, 3 kg like that. Okay, fine. Then muscle power 4. If muscle power 4 means we are giving the all strengthening exercise program. Fine. Then we are giving the motor re-education and motor relearning programs. What are all these techniques? Root approach, Brunstone method. Okay. PNF, proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation technique. Fine. Then Bobak techniques. Okay. Fine. Then Wojton technique. Somebody saw wrong pronunciation. They are pronouncing the Wojton technique. That is wrong. Wojton technique. Fine. Wojton technique, root approach, Brunstone method, and proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation techniques. These are all techniques indicated for the muscle power 4. Fine. Muscle power 5. These are all technique with functional some re-education technique we are giving. That means we are giving some prevention maneuver like that. Okay, fine. In latest, we are having the variety new latest treatment technique. All our physiotherapists should follow the latest treatment technique. Okay, fine. This manual muscle power, it is not only for physiotherapy students, it is important for medical students and dental students, rehabilitation nurses, every medical field, each and every people should know the muscle power. Manual muscle test. If we are doing the proper manual muscle test means in patients no need to go to some neurological test. That means NCV, nerve conduction studies. That's also in my point of view no need. Okay, fine. Thank you very much.